This is the Boker Cottage-Craft 8.75 inch chef's knife. This premium kitchen knife is handmade in Solingen, Germany, and built to a quality standard that rivals other knives well above their price point. The Boker Cottage-Craft chef's knife features gorgeous lines, quality materials, and beautiful workmanship. This knife has an overall length of 13.375 inches and an 8.75 inch blade. Crafted from C75 carbon steel, the blade has excellent cutting capabilities, which makes it easy to hone and maintain in the kitchen. Stunning plum wood handles provide amazing grip during use and look great while sitting in your knife block. We are excited to introduce these knives and to be the exclusive dealer of Boker Cottage-Craft Series kitchen knives. Are your kitchen knives in need of a serious update? Let us know in the comments what you think about the Boker Cottage-Craft Series, and click the link in the description to learn more about this amazing chef's knife. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.